Big relief for the BJP. Yediyurappa, top party leader from Karnataka, has been acquitted of accepting kickbacks to the tune of 40 crores while he was chief minister to allow illegal mining in the state. The elections in Karnataka, remember, are due in 2 years. The Congress won the state from the BJP in 2013.
Today's order by the Honorable CBI Court comes to me as a relief. I am happy that the false allegations and politically motivated charges made against me have been dismissed. I always have faith in judiciary and I have not done any mistake. So today I got the relief and I hope the order will be bringing new inspiration to lakhs of our workers to work hard to come back to power in future. Thank you.
It's a major shot in the arm for Yediyurappa and the BJP as well as the party heads towards the 2018 Assembly election here. It has made it very clear that they will head under the leadership of Yediyurappa, and this particular acquittal comes at a time when we have already seen several voices against Yediyurappa by opposition, calling him a corrupt leader. Well, if you look at the legality of this case, there were several serious charges. One of the major charges was that 1 acre of land which was denotified from a housing project was taken over by the sons of Yediyurappa. Later on, Jindal went ahead and purchased this land for a whopping 20 crore rupees. The allegation was that this land was worth only around, say, 5 crore rupees in terms of market value, and the rest was a kickback or given as quid pro quo. The second major allegation that came in from CBI and even in several reports was that around 20 crore rupees was deposited in Prerana Trust, which has both the sons of Yediyurappa as trustee in that, and this too was a kickback. Well, now it has to be seen if the CBI will go ahead and challenge this order of the special CBI court.